How to create a zip file on Windows laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to easily create a zip file on your Windows laptop in a step-by-step manner. Without any further delay, let us just jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is know why we create zip files. Zip files are basically compressed files that don't take much space, and it is also really easy to transfer these files. That takes a short amount of time relative to normal large files. So I've got this files folder over here. Let's say if I want to create a zip file for all of these files, it's quite easy, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. You don't need to download any third-party application for this. Windows will allow you to create zip files for yourself. Let me just quickly bring this file over to my desktop. So I'll just copy this, move over to my desktop right here. And then once you have your files, all you have to do is basically select all the files that you want to compress as zip. Let's say if I want these files to be compressed into a zip file, right click on this, and then you have an option that says compress to. If you don't see it, tap on show more option, and then you'll have an option to compress here. So I'll just go ahead and click on select these, right click, and then go to compress to. You have quite a few options. I have zip file, 7z file, tar file, and additional options. I'll just click on zip file and it'll automatically create a zip file for the selected files. I can just cut this and move it to my desktop. So here I've pasted the file. Now in order to be able to access it, double click on it and you'll have all of the folders here. Then you have this option called extract all, and it will extract all of these items to your folder and they will be unzipped immediately. Then tap on extract right here. If you want to move them to another place, you can just click on browse and then select a different destination. And then you can just click on extract just like so. That's how you basically create a zip file on your laptop. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.